President Donald Trump plans a big campaign rally tonight in Des Moines, Iowa, a state he won back in 2016. With the election less than 3 weeks away, Joe Biden did not schedule any public campaign events today, but both will hold dueling town halls Thursday night on network TV. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports.
Tracy, tomorrow night, Thursday, they were supposed to debate. Instead, President Trump will appear on NBC. Democrat Joe Biden will be on ABC, each holding their own separate town hall style events. And with just 20 days to go now until Election Tuesday, every day is strategically important for both campaigns.
The radical left is hell-bent on destroying everything we love and cherish.
In Pennsylvania, President Donald Trump tore into Joe Biden.
Biden has made a corrupt bargain in exchange for his party's nomination. He has handed control to the socialists and Marxists and left-wing extremists like his vice presidential candidate. That's another great one, isn't it?
And before voters, the president argued his case for another 4 years.
I will have, by the end of the first term, almost 300 federal judges and 3 Supreme Court justices.
In Florida, Joe Biden hit the president over the pandemic.
It's become painfully clear as this careless, arrogant, reckless COVID response has caused one of the worst tragedies in American history.
And responding to President Trump's Wednesday night campaign visit to Iowa, a state that has surpassed 100,000 coronavirus cases, Joe Biden kept up his attack on the president's handling of the contagion, writing, "Iowa has been ravaged by the coronavirus pandemic. But President Trump isn't coming to the Hawkeye state to offer words of comfort to those suffering. Instead, he's here to spread more lies about the pandemic and distract from his record of failure." Also on the campaign trail, Vice President Mike Pence appeared today in Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Joe Biden and Kamala Harris want higher taxes, open borders, socialized medicine. They want to abolish fossil fuels. They want taxpayer funding of abortion. They want to defund the police and pack the Supreme Court.
Meanwhile, early voting underway in states like Tennessee, voters standing in long lines at polling places. President Trump was cleared by doctors to return to the campaign trail this week, and a test administered by the National Institutes of Health confirms the president is no longer contagious. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.